How to transfer Wise to PayPal. Need to move money from Wise to PayPal? Here's the simple workaround to make it happen. So first, withdraw funds from Wise into your linked bank account. So go ahead and open up Wise, click on Send, and then from here, click on Add at the top right. And then from here, go ahead and select your currency. So you can go ahead and transfer your money to your bank or transfer it to your e-wallet. So once you have transferred the money from Wise to your e-wallet or bank, go ahead and wait for the deposit. So transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days depending on your bank. Now, after this, log into PayPal, open wallet, and make sure the same bank account is linked there. Now, add money from your bank to PayPal, enter the amount, and confirm. Funds appear in 3 to 5 days. Now, alternatively, you can order a Wise debit card, link it to PayPal as a payment method, and use it directly for transactions.